Hello, and welcome to Let's Make a Top-Down Shooter. This video is about adding the teleport portion of the Frosty Step gameplay ability. And a special thanks to all my supporters. Your support is what makes this worth doing. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the jump action and connected jump binding. This is because we'll be using the spacebar for our movement ability, and we don't want that conflict, and there's no jumping needed in this top-down shooter. I'm just going to compile and launch the editor. And we're going to create our gameplay ability. And we're going to call this GA Frosty Step. And in here, we're going to commit ability first. Drag this out, hit B. Throw our end ability down here. And I'm going to copy some of the fireball stuff. So first I'm going to create our two variables, destination, which is a vector, and loc, for location. So we're first setting our location based on our actor location of the avatar actor, which is the third-person character. I do want that value in this case. I'll do the same for the destination. And in this case of the Z value, I'm just going to drag over the actor location so it goes in a straight horizontal line. Next, I'm going to do a trace from the one location to the other. To look at all the trace functions, you could just do a search for trace by. You'll see that they exist for a box, capsule, line, and sphere, and then there's multi-versions of each. Since we're using the character, we're going to use a capsule trace. The start location is loc, and location is our destination. The radius and half height we could get from the avatar actor. Cast it to our third person character, but I'm just going to skip that for here. We can go into our third person character to find those values, which in the caps component here is the radius of 35 and the half height of 90. I'm going to turn on the draw debug for a duration, which is going to be red and green and for 5 seconds. Just going to throw a sequence here. So regardless of whether it hits something or not, we want to call end ability. So whether our capsule trace collides with something or not, we want to get our avatar actor, and we're going to be setting a actor location. We want to use teleport. Just copy that down here. It's doing it in either case. The difference is the location. If the trace hits an object, then we want to use the location that hit provides. If not, then we use our destination. Lastly, we want to make sure that we set defaults our ability input ID to movement. And then in our Manny character, we need to add it to our default abilities. Now when I hit space, nothing's in the way, so it just moves me to that location. If I go behind something, you can see that's where it was intending to go, and this is where it hit something. So there we go. In the next video, we'll add another Niagara system and gameplay effect. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and would like to see more, you know what to do. And if you would like to support this channel, or just want to download the project files, you can do so through my Patreon linked below.